So you've got Chrome on your computer. You've got to the Canvas login page and and now you're logging in. What are you going to see? So one of the things you're going to see that you have this invitation to join the course, so you need to accept that. The course name will be different. I have this up here as an example, but this green box where it says you've been invited to join, this is to get into our um, module for this unit. So you need to accept that. So accept that, and then for Unit 1, uh, the label of the unit says 2020 Unit 1 personal information. So this is what we're starting on now after the spring break and then the coronavirus break, coronavirus time off. And um, and then when you get into Canvas, you should see home, modules, grades, conferences. Conferences is new, and I'm going to explain that in the next video. So if you've gotten this far, good job. Good job.